We're going to start today with the shoulder in the high pec position. I put this video demonstration at 1.75 speed today to save you a little time. Be sure to take your time with these exercises. With your palm facing forward, reach your arm back and make sure your hand is higher than your shoulder. This position is best accomplished with the resistance band door anchor at the top of the door. Percuss the fibers of your pec major and contract the muscle gently at a 25% effort at the shoulder. Keep your arms stretched back as much as possible through the entire motion. If you're using a Theracane, gently dig the muscles in the front of your chest wherever you feel any tight spots. You may notice lots of different places to use the tool, so feel free to explore and focus on the areas that are tightest until they're softened. When you're ready, switch and move to the other side. As you can see me doing on this side, you can lean your body closer to the resistance source to decrease the amount of resistance if your shoulder is too weak, or move further away to increase the resistance of the movement. Notice how my wrist stays in a reached back position and I'm leading with the funny bone point of my elbow. To move into the next position, adjust your door anchor to about the height of your solar plex. Repeat the same movement as before. You may notice this angle activates a different region of your chest. Notice I'm leading with the inside of my elbow again and keeping my wrist stretched back. And now the other side. With any of these movements, you can experiment with tilting your head away from your shoulder. Next, we're going to explore how the latissimus dorsi muscle impacts the front arm line. You may have to experiment with different angles of body rotation in relation to where the resistance is, but you'll feel when you get the right one. Just imagine a line from the back of your armpit to the front of your hip on the same side. Again, you will see that I'm leading with the inside of the elbow and my wrist is extended back. You may even find a benefit to working down in the front of the hip like I do here on the right side. Everything is connected. Good luck and thanks for watching.